One of the most important things that we need to have in our skincare routine is a really good scrub. Scrubbing exfoliates your skin, takes out the dead cells, and actually makes your skin so soft to the touch. And it allows your body butter to work better. Hello YouTube, I am back after like a year of not posting content here, but I have been sharing these amazing DIY recipes on Instagram, and I felt like, yeah, I need to put it on YouTube so that people can be able to get in-depth videos with a lot of explanation, because there's just so much I can't talk in 1 minute on Instagram. And if you know me, I do like to be talking. So I'm making this YouTube video so I'll have enough time to explain my recipes, especially my DIY recipes. So it's no surprise right now the state of the economy and how hard it's been. So I've been doing a lot of DIY recipes where I replace a lot of the things that I would have spent a lot of money for, because who doesn't like to save money? So I like to save money. So I've been DIYing a lot of my recipes, and today I am going to be sharing with you my turmeric, look at it, my turmeric body scrub. But before I go ahead to speak more about this body scrub, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Help me share this to your friends. While most scrubs make use of sugar, this recipe calls for sugar and salt because salt actually detoxifies your skin. Sweet almond oil is been known to use for acne, turmeric for inflammation, vitamin E oil to lighten dark spots, and lemongrass to actually detoxify your skin as well. The shower gel washes out the dead skin and also smells nice. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comment below. Have a great day, guys.